Hi guys, my name is Suraj and today in this video we are going to see HTML tutorial part 1. If you want to watch this video in Tamil, the link is given in the description and you can go and watch it. So as I said in last video about web design and web development career, I will be uploading videos according to that. So if you want to watch that video, the link is given in the description, you can go and watch it. So now let's go into a video. So let us see what is HTML. So HTML is nothing but a hypertext markup language which gives a structure to a website and is represented by tags and elements. So if you are learning HTML, you should know the difference between the tags and elements. So tag, it consists of a start tag and end tag. It is opened and closed by angle brackets. So you can see the below example given in tags. So next is elements. So elements is a collection of start tag and end tag and followed by content. So you can see the example given below. So next you will see attributes. So attribute is nothing but a special words which gives additional information to the elements. It is placed only in a start tag. So the example is given below, such as in a paragraph tag, inside the tag, opening tag, I have given the attribute, and between these tags I have given my name. So next you will see the basic tags in HTML. So doc type defines the document to be HTML5 and HTML is the root element, and head contains the information about the website, which is a meta information, and title contains the title of the page, and body contains the data to be displayed in a website, in a web page. So H1 to H6 it contains heading a different size. So P contains the paragraph tags. So in next video we will do some practical using these basic tags in HTML. So if you like this video, share it to your friends and subscribe my channel Suraj TheDeveloper and click the bell icon for notification. Thank you.